Hey there fellow tech adventurers, are you ready to troubleshoot your way through the digital realm of Erzia? Today, we are tackling a common nemesis that has been plaguing Final Fantasy XIV players equipped with powerful GeForce RTX 3070. That's right, we are diving headfirst into the infamous FF14 3070 error. Imagine this, you are on the brink of victory, immersed in the awe-inspiring world of FF14, when suddenly an error rears its ugly head, snatching your trump away. The FF14 3070 error is a sneaky little bug that thrives on the intricate dance between your GeForce RTX 3070 and the game's graphic settings. But fear not, brave adventurers, for I come bearing the knowledge to banish this error and restore peace to your gaming sessions. To trump over the FF14 3070 error, we first ensure that our graphic drivers are up to date. Head over to the manufacturer's website, download the latest drivers for your GeForce RTX 3070 and install them like a seasoned warrior. Next, let's journey into the depths of our gaming settings. Adjusting the graphics options is where the true battle begins. Experiment with different settings, starting from the highest to the lowest, until you found the optimal configuration for your system. Keep an eye out for the resolution, anti-aliasing and texture settings, as these can be potential triggers for the FF14 3070 error. In some cases, the error might be caused by a conflicting software or background applications. Be sure to close any unnecessary programs or overlays like streaming software or performance monitoring tools. Sometimes it's the simplest solutions that yield the greatest victories. Armed with these strategies, you possess the power to overcome the FF14 3070 error and reclaim your adventure in Erzia. May your gaming sessions be filled with epic battles, stunning vistas, and error-free victories. That wraps up our guide to conquering the FF14 3070 error, and until next time, safe travels.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.